Oh, hi. I didn't notice you there. We're here today at Seattle Center for the Model Train Expo. I'm gonna eat this hot dog, and then we're gonna go look at some trains.
Trains, trains, and more trains. Nothing makes the inhabitants of this tiny model village happier than a nice train chugging along the tracks. From the train barn operator to this homeboy, everyone in this town loves trains. From the engine to the caboose, every train is special, and no two are alike. To learn more about these majestic metal beasts, we spoke to Jake, a longtime member of the cult of trains.
I'm Jake. Yeah, I'm a volunteer conductor for the Winterfest trains here. So.
Jake loves trains, but the one thing Jake loves more than trains is little children.
Hold on, don't touch that dial yet, okay?
Every Seattleite knows that the heart of the city is its trains. From the monorail to the slut, Seattle's history is littered with trains. However, not all of Seattle's train-related past is as benign as it seems.
It's pretty bad. What are you guys up to?
We're making a documentary about the trains at Seattle Center.
Oh, the trains? The monorail?
Yeah. No,
trains.
the little ones.
The ghost trains?
Ghost trains? In all of our research, we'd never encountered anything about these ghost trains. But we knew there was only one way to find out. We asked Jake, our resident train expert, how many ghost trains he'd seen this year.
About, I think 7.
7 ghost trains? It was worse than we ever could have imagined. But hold on to your butts, because it's about to go off the rails. We returned to our old friend, the anonymous tipster, to inquire about this year's train derailings.
Not that many. I think 7 died this year.
7 dead, 7 ghost trains. The evidence was undeniable. Like so many boxcars following each other down the tracks, the facts fell into line. We began to wonder, if ghost trains were so obviously real, what other paranormal activity had we been overlooking this entire time? We saw some strange things that day. Some strange things that we would never forget. We went looking for trains, but what we found was ghost trains. We don't understand everything, but one thing is for sure, anything is possible. This is Riley Adamson saying...